Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we discuss about what is inverse functions. Here the definition of inverse function is a function f such that a to b is said to be inverse function if it is a bijection and exits pre-image n inverse value. So by this definition you can understand we have to satisfy the bijection if it is inverse function or not, and we have to exist a pre-image value of n inverse value. So let us start the problem with an example. Understand the concept with an example. Here given that let f gives rise to r, show that f of x equals to 2x minus 3 is a inverse function. Here first of all it is a bijection. Okay, for a bijection we have to do what? You have to satisfy 1-to-1 function and onto function. For 1-to-1 function, here x not equals to y and f of x not equals to f of y is a condition, and here f equals to codomain, that is range equals to codomain. This is the function to be satisfied. Here take this value f of x equals to 2x minus 3. First you have to substitute here minus 1. You get what? 2 of minus 1 minus 3, that is f of minus 1 equals to, we get minus y. So here f of 1 is the x value and minus y is the f of x value. Now take f of minus 2 value. Here substitute here 2 of minus 2 minus 3, we get f of minus 2 equals to minus 4 minus 3 means minus 7. Here f of minus 2 is y value and f of minus 2 equals to minus 7 is the f of y value. Here you can see here minus 1 minus 2 is that is x not equals to y, and here minus 5 minus 7 is there, that is f of x not equals to f of y. The given condition is satisfied, so it is a 1-to-1 function. This is satisfied. Now here came to the onto function. Here given that f of x equals to 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3. So if it is a 1-to-1 function, then f of x equals to 2x minus 3 is also a onto function, because the range of, that is f of 2x minus 3 is equals to codomain, so it is a onto function. Now we have to find the given question, that is f of x equals to 2x minus 3 is inverse function or not. Coming to the inverse function, find the f inverse value of given function. So here we know that f of x equals to 2x minus 3 is a given function. Here let we have to f of x equals to y and f inverse of y equals to x. This is a condition for inverse function. You have to assume that here f of x equals to 2x minus 3 is given. Here f of x equals to what? Y na, so substitute here y equals to 2x minus 3 and y plus 3 equals to 2x and y plus 3 by 2 equals to x. This is the x. Here x is equals to what? F inverse of y, that is f inverse of y equals to y plus 3 by 2. So this is the answer for the f inverse image of given function, and you can write f inverse of x also by placing in place of y x plus 3 by 2. This is the f inverse of x value of given problem. Now going to the composite function. What do you mean by composite function? Here the definition and statement is, if f gives rise to a to b and g gives rise to b to c be two functions, then the function g circle f gives rise to a to c, where g circle f of x equals to g of f of x for all x belongs to a is the composite function of f and g. Here I will explain you like this. Here the f of x is a function, that is x square is a function here, and here a is the element and b is the element. It is going from a to b. This is one function, and g of x equals to 4x plus 1 is a function, and it is going from b and c. B set and c set is going from b and c. These two are the functions. Then this function, that is g circle of x is going to, it is going to a to b and it is going to b to c. Then a to c can be also be possible for going. Then this is the composite of that f and g. Let us take an example and understand it clearly. Here given that f function equals to set of 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, and g equals to set of 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 3. Then we have to find the f circle of g and g circle of f. Here first of all take f of 1 equals to what value? 2. F of 2 equals to value is 3. You can see here f of 1 means we have 2, f of 2 means we have 3, and f of 3 means we have 1. Okay. Now g of 1 means we have value 2, and g of 2 means we have value 1. Here 1 means we have 2 and 2 means we have 1, and g of 3 means we have 3. Now we have to find first one is f circle of g, that is f of g of x we means. So here first of all place f of g of 1 means what? G of 1 means value we have what? 2, that is g of 1 means we have value 2. So here f of 2 means value we have what? 3. Here f of g of x, this is the like this. Here in place of placing what? 1, that is placing g of 1 first one. F here value is for 1. F of g of 1 is we have value is 2. So here the whole value is 2. So f of 2 value is what we have? 3. So it is the 3 value. Now placing 2, that is f of g of 2 equals to, here g of 2 value is what? 1, and here f of 1 value is what? 2. So this is the value for second one, and placing 3 in x equals to 1, x equals to 2, and x equals to 2. Placing x equals to 3, we get f of g of 3, that is f of g of 3 value is what? 3, and f of 3 value is what? 1. So this is the value for x equals to 3. Here f circle of g equals to values are 1, 3, 2, 2, and 3, 1. Because here when we take one value we get 3, and when we take x value equals to 2 we get 2, and when we take x equals to 3 value we get 1. We write like this for g circle of x. G circle of x, taking that is g of f of x So taking x equals to 1 first, g of f of 1 means what we have g of 1, 2 value. G of 2 means value we have 1. So this is a value for x equals to 1, 1. Now take x equals to 2, that is g of f of 2. Here g of f of 2 value is what? 3, and g of 3 value we have 3. It is the value for x equals to 2. Now take x equals to 3 value, that is g of f of 3. Here f of 3 means we have value is 1, that is here 1, and g of 1 value we have 2. So this is a value for x equals to 2. Now g circle of x equals to set of here 1 value and we get 1, that is 1 comma 1, and here we have x equals to 2, we get value is 3, so 2 comma 3, and here x equals to 3 values we get 2, so it is 3 comma 2. This is the value for g circle x, g circle f. Now take another example. Here given that f of x equals to 4x square and g of x equals to 2x plus 1, find f circle g. Here f of x equals to 4x square given and g of x equals to given 2x plus 1. We have to find f circle g. Here f circle g means f of g of x na. Here in place of g of x we have what value? 2x plus 1 plus 2x plus 1. Here this is the value of x na. Here f of x means we have what? 4x square. So in place of x you have to substitute this value, that is 4. X means here x plus we substitute 2x plus 1 whole square. So 4 of, it is in the form as a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. We get what? 4 of 4x square plus 1 plus 4x we get, by entering with 4 we get 16x square plus 16x plus 4. This is a value for f circle g. Hope you love the video guys. Like, share, comment and subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified every update from my small studies YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you people like the video. Keep supporting me by subscribing the YouTube channel and like, share, comment and click the bell icon to be notified every update from my small studies YouTube channel. Thank you guys.